Find the derivative of f of x is equal to arc sine x square. So, chain rule tayo. dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiply to du over dx. Ayan. So, diretso na natin. Let u. So, yung u natin ay yung inner term na x square. And then, yung outer term ay yung arc sine. Then, u. So, u natin yung x square. So, kunin natin ang derivative. So, arc sine. So, dy over du. Ano ba yung derivative ng arc sine? So, kung titingnan natin sa derivative rules, ang arc sine ay ito yun, 1 over the square root of 1 minus u square. So, u, ito yun. So, and then, multiply natin sa d over dx. Ito naman yung x square. So, ano ba yung derivative ng x square? That is 2x. Ayan. Okay. So, i-multiply na natin. 1 times 2x is equal to 2x over, so ito, over square root of 1 minus, so yung u, ibalik na natin siya, yung u natin ay x square. So, x square, and then meron pang square. So, yung final derivative dapat natin dito is, we have, ito, wait, 2, yung power, tawag dito, log exponent, multiply natin yung exponent, 2 times 2, magiging 4. Therefore, magiging 2x over square root of 1 minus x raised to 4. So, isulat lang natin ulit. So, ito yung ating final derivative. Ang derivative nito is the derivative is equal to, copy lang yun, 2x over the square root of 1 minus x raised to 4. Ayan.